Welcome back to Engineering Graphics class. Today's session we will discuss how to solve the projection of solids problem using Solid Edge software. Okay, let me discuss the problem number 45. The question is given like this. A cone of 50 mm base diameter and 60 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its generators. Draw its projections when the axis is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Okay, so first we will draw the XY line. One end of the line we can write capital X and other end we can write capital Y. And above XY line VP and below XY line HP. And then line, visible line. Okay, in solids the problem analyzing is very easy. In a first step we will check the resting condition. So all the problems will start from HP only. In solids case, no other VP conditions are there. Only everything will be start from HP. It will be a sequence. The first step HP resting and second step the HP inclination and the third step will be VP inclination. This is how in solids all the problems will be goes. In some cases, second step instead of HP inclination they give some other conditions. We can do it. Okay, that is the sequence here. First we will check the first step. Here they give on the cone. The cone means a resting condition. Just we can draw the cone here of the diameter 50 and the front view you can get by giving the axis length 60 mm. Next step. In second step they give on it is resting on HP one of its generator. So when they give generator means we have to completely bend that side of the cone on the XY line because they're not given any inclination. They given it is completely resting on its generator. We have to bend like this. And then last step axis is inclined to VP, so we need to find the 30 degree and we need to place the axis on that line. Okay, let me start it. To get that one we can go to the circle by center point and diameter they given, enter 50 and we can place it here. And after that as we know when the other part of the shapes we have a corners and all, we can easily produce the different conditions here, but here no, it's a complete circular. We need to divide the circle into equal parts. So to do that we can draw the normal line first from the center to the periphery like a radius. We will draw the line and then we can divide it into, by using circular pattern option, we can divide the circle into 8 parts. After drawing the line, select this line first and then if you go to the circular pattern, select the circular pattern option and then click on the center. So click the center and then can give the count is 8 and how many angles throughout the circle 360 degree we have to divide it and then finish it. So like this it is divided. And after finishing that we can give the namings for this A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. And moreover here also we have to give, because it's having height axis line will be there. So O1, because top is O and bottom face we can get the O1. After that, to get the front view, so we need to draw the projections from all this the dividing what we made it to the XY line. And here also we need to drop to here and then from E. And then to give the height we can use the center line. Height should be given with respect to the center O1. O1 is on this line, so from here we need to give the height 60 because they given axis height 60 and angle is 90. And after that we know that in circle only the periphery can be seen, so that's why only the borders we will write with a visible line. Go to line, visible line, so you can draw the only outermost portion of the cone should be visible. The inside no edges, so these things will not be visible. So those things you can draw with the normal lines, like from here. And this one central line already we drawn here, and this one. And coming to the naming, go to naming here. So this point only A dash, and this portion we have B and H is there. So first B dash, and in the bracket we can write H dash, and same way here C dash in the bracket G dash, as well as O1 dash also we can write. And then the next point we are getting D dash of F dash, and the last one is E dash. So once it is placed, you can move it to get the proper view. Okay, next the top one we can name it as O dash. So it's first step is finished, and second step they said it's resting on HP, one of its generator. That condition means we need to make this side completely on the XY line. So to do that, we can go to move, switch on the copy, hold the control, select all the edges, no edges, select the periphery and the base and also the projection lines, and then you can pick from E dash and you can place it here. Okay, first we can do it like this, and then go to rotate option, same thing, select all the lines, and then from E dash is fixed point and this O dash rotating point, and make sure it should be on the XY line. Like this you have to rotate, and because we have a space here, so we can bring back here, go to move, switch off the copy, select everything, and from the bottom pick it and place it near, because if you keep the more space, we will not get the space for last step. Okay, once it is finished, the namings can move it. So this is O dash, and this one is A dash, and this one is B dash of H dash, and this is C dash of G dash, and this D dash of F dash, and the last one is E dash. And now we will get the top view by drawing the projection lines one by one. You can start from A dash, so we are getting A is here, so you can draw up to here to get the A, and then B dash of H dash is here and B dash is here, so we can get this B dash, and as well as H dash also we can get it here. And next here C dash G dash, so G dash here and C dash is here, we can get those two. And now D dash F dash will come here, so this already we drawn the line here, and here D dash also comes here, so these lines are overlap. And now E dash, so E dash is here, we can draw up to here, and center also is coming here, no need to worry of O1 dash, and finally O dash. Okay, now we got all these points. We can move the namings first to avoid the confusions. A is here, we will get the B, C, D, E, F, G, and H, and this one at the center O1, and this is O. Okay, next now we are seeing from the top, this complete base of the cone is visible, and we can make it complete base is visible. So we can go to the to get that we can use the option ellipse. So ellipse by 3 points and take visible line, and the starting point, the first point is we can take it as a E, and second click on the A, and third click on the G. So like this we can get in a one shot by using ellipse by 3 point. we can get this all the smooth curvy option, that means ellipse option, we can get it here. So that is finished, and the final get the side view here. No hidden and all will come because it is a uh, outer periphery only seen in the cone. So that's why from the end point here, from the G, we can draw the line up to O, and from C we can draw the line to O, because no other edges and all will be seen here. And like this it is finished. And to get the center line, axis line, is visible, you can trim this line, and we can get the a line, go to line, center line, and from the O1 to O we can draw the center line. And now next, here we forgot to show the dimension, so we should show the dimension. Diameter 50 and axis height 60, you have to show it. And the last step they said axis is inclined to VP 30 degree. So axis is inclined to VP 30 degree, so we need to draw the 30 degree line first. Go to line, normal line, here we will draw minus 30, and you can show that angle by using angle between option 30 degree. And the thing is here, initially the axis height is 60, but in second step the axis height is reduced to 55.38. So if in the case when the axis inclination given to VP, so definitely if the not mention appears to be, we need to find the apparent angle. So we can find the apparent angle by drawing the arcs here. Go to arc by center point. First we have to take the common center. Here we are taking this point as a common center, and first we need to take the actual axis, that is 60 mm as a radius, and then draw the arc. After that, draw the locus line for this intersection point. Draw the locus line, and then again go to arc by center point, and now take the same common center. This time we need to give the radius of apparent axis length, that is 55.38. Enter it and draw the arc to locus line, and then go to line, normal line, from the center through the intersection. So we need to draw the line, beta line, so we can get it parallel indication, you can draw up to you, and then check the angle, beta angle. So we got the beta angle of 33 degree. Okay, after getting this beta angle, so we can place this O1 on that beta inclination. To do that, go to move option, hold the control, select all the lines and this ellipse, and moreover here one more thing, do you get the F, G points and all? To get that easily, we can draw the lines from F to B, and here H to D, and then G to C. And now go to move option, hold the control, select the line and axis line, and this ellipse and also line what we drawn. Okay, now after that you can pick from O, and you can place it on the uh, beta angle line, like this you can place it. The main thing is O1 should be come here, so you can place it like this, and then go to rotate option, switch off the copy, same way hold the control, select all the line, ellipse and lines, everything we can select it, and then make O already fixed point, and then O1 rotating point, and make sure it should be come on that line. And now we can move the namings. So this point is O, and this is A. So we are rotated here, the B will be comes here, and C, D, E, F, G, H, and O1. So like this we got all the points here. Now to get the final view, as usual, draw the projection lines from all these points. From first O dash is on XY line, you can drop to here and then start from A. So A is here, A dash is at the top. You can draw the line by using alignment indicator. You can draw exact position, so you can avoid the trimming. A is finished, and now same way B we are getting B dash is here, so we will get the B here, and then C. So to get the alignment indicator, just move to that point and you can come back to this. It will show the indication, alignment indication, and we are getting C is here, and then D, we are getting D is here, and then E on the XY line you can drop to here, then F is here, you can drop to F here, then G is at the center line, it is coming G, the last point is H is here, and center O1, this is the O1 dash. Okay, now first name all these points, then easy you can join it. This is O dash, and you can start from A. So this is A, because in the one sequence you can go A dash, next point is B dash, then C dash, D dash, E dash, and then F dash, G dash, and then last H dash, and center O1 dash. Like this we got all the points, and now this one we need to join by using arc. This is the curve option, we can use it. To before starting that one, so we can select the visible line, and one more thing we need to do, go to tools and switch off the maintain relationship. If you not switch it on, the curve will not be completed. So that's why switch off it, and now go to curve visible line. You start from the A dash to B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash, H dash, and back to A. After that you right click it, and now again you have to reactivate that maintain relationship, and that is how the base cone visible. Why we made visible means because we are seeing from the bottom the complete base is visible, so that's why we made it the complete base is visible. So that is the one tip I am giving. Always you try to make the base any kind, if you are doing in pyramid or this cone type of problems, make sure the base is coming at the bottom near to the observer, so that will be easy to make the visible line. If you making the apex downside, some of the portion is hidden, so it may leads to confusion to make the hidden lines and all. So that's why better you avoid that, make entire base is downside, so complete base we can make it visible. And now the borders, the outer line, here we can draw the line, visible line from E dash to O dash, and here we can draw from A dash to O dash. And here we can draw the line from H dash to O dash, because that is a coming outside. If we join from A dash, it is coming inside, so we can take the periphery or outmost, that is H dash, we can take it. So here almost problem is completed. The one thing you have to do before taking printout means any namings and all is overlapped or merging with anything other, we need to keep it away from that. Here see the B is C is not able to see it properly, so you can move this one little outside, and here B also. When the multiple lines are on that, you can hold the mouse for 1 second, you can option the right click, then you can select the suitable, the which one you wanted to select. Okay, then here see this one is B. Why? Because this while taking printout the namings can be clearly visible, So we have to do this one before taking the printout, and make sure all the dimensions are given here, height given, diameter given, inclination they given, everything is fine. Okay, now the problem is completed.